citizen, for the country, very supportive of the whole NS experience.
What you have just witnessed was our main battle tank, the Leopard 2SG Private Federation Armoured Fighting Vehicle.
Armoured Regiment. Let us put our hands together to welcome him.
Good afternoon, everyone. For today's demonstration, we have two parts. We'll start with a dynamic display just over here to bring you up close to our armoured fighting vehicles. Thereafter, we'll simulate a mission where we'll give you a glimpse of armoured live firing over at the platform there. So for now, just buckle up and get ready to experience the speed, precision, and firepower of armour. Sit back and enjoy the demonstration. Thank you, everyone.
At today's demonstration with a dynamic display, watch as the hunter performs a figure of 8 maneuver to demonstrate
You might have noticed that the hunter operates fuel tank. The external counter cannon is all around the leader's system, allows it to distract vehicles and fire.
We will now see a full version of the remote control weapon station. This has a 30mm Bushmaster automatic cannon and a coaxial machine gun. To take up heavily armored targets, the remote control weapon station is also configured with an anti-tank guided missile launcher.
Next, the hunter also has an inbuilt weapon stabilization system which is able to maintain aim at the same point over the Lastly, located at the top of the hunter is the independent commander sight. This allows the commander to actively scan for targets while the gunner looks out for threats in another direction using the main camera.
As the hunters will exit their stage. Has a weapon stabilization system that helps it maintain accuracy while driving at high speeds.
To the live fire demonstration that simulates a hypothetical exercise scenario.
In this mission, our forces are tasked to immerse ourselves in a simulated war scenario. This mission has 4 parts. First, our tanks will destroy enemy targets. Second, will go to surveil the enemy's base. Subsequently, deploy our hunters will be activated to destroy these reserves. These are now taking up their firing position and will soon fire the 120 mm gun. Overwhelm the enemies with their impressive firepower.
5-4, this is 1-9. Spot right on. This is 1-9. Enemy remnant forces withdrawing. Fire free. Out. All stations, this is 1-9. All threats on enemy base destroyed. Mission accomplished.
A big round of applause to our armored forces for success.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the end of the Army